In this video, I will show you how to show chart of any currency pair in MT4. So, for example, you want to show chart here for GBP USD. So right click on it and click on chart window. You can customize size as your need. Like this. Similarly, you want to show two chart. So right click on like Euro USD and chart window. Like this. You can minimize it and maximize. You can set both chart window So thanks for watching, and if you want to create account with Okta, so I have the link in description. You can create your account and you will get some benefits from my referral link. Thanks for watching.